Nandi in Park City, Utah. Oh, Nandi.
Yes, good afternoon. I'm here.
How are you? What's up?
I'm doing wonderful. I just got a little question.
Yes.
So I'm on the H-2B program. I'm currently in Utah at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
I'm wondering if there's a way that I can stay in America without being married.
You want to stay without being married?
Yeah.
You got to change your status to another. You got to get a green card. Or you got to change your status to another visa status. I don't know what visa status you can change it to, or maybe you could get an extension on your H-2B visa. When you say you want to be married, that's getting a green card. So you want to stay in a you want to stay in a temporary status. You want to be able to get a green card. Tell me what you want.
All right. So I'm currently on the H-2B visa.
I understand that you're on a seasonal worker. You're here for 6 months to work seasonally. You would like to stay longer. So you either have to change your status to a different status, a visitor's visa, maybe a student, an investor, another type of work visa, or figure out how to get a green card. One way is get married, but that's not the only way in the world. So really what you need is a consultation. You are asking, I want to stay here legal, what should I do? And the answer is, I don't have the slightest idea, simply because I don't know anything about you. That would require a consultation. But hold on one second. I gave you about 6 different options without even knowing you. 1-800-529-5465. All my cards are out of order here. I don't even know what to do with myself. All right, let's go to Roy in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Roy.
Oh, yeah. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What's up?
Good. This is Colorado, pot is legal here, right?
What? Pot is legal in Colorado. I am aware of that. I have not been to Colorado since pot became legal, although my friend came back and he thinks everybody in the entire state is high. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what he told me.
Well, some sort of. But I would like to know, like, a medical report. You think they would, like, look for something like that?
Absolutely, because just because it's legal in Colorado doesn't mean it's legal on the federal level. They are absolutely drug testing, and you could be denied a green card for drug abuse.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. 1-800, and there, my friend's theory holding true. Everybody's high in Colorado. 1-800-529, I'm not saying he's high, but he wanted to know about whether, I guess, whoever he was calling about was going to be checked for drugs in Colorado on the immigration. And the answer is yes. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Roy in Victoria, Texas. Roy.
Yes, I was calling. I have my niece from the Philippines who is in Dubai at the moment, seeking gainful employment. I mean, there's places here in Texas that are hiring all over the place, and I was just wondering, what would it take for me to get her to Texas? What is the best process?
Well, I should assume she's your niece, but I assume she's an adult. Is that correct?
Yes, she's 30.
Yeah, okay. So there's no uncle to niece sponsorship. It doesn't exist.
Okay.
So there's nothing
we understand that.
Right. There's nothing you do. Okay. So like anybody else, you can, it's going to be close family sponsorship, job sponsorship, student visa, investor visa, work visa. It's going to be one of those. If you want to have a consultation with us so we can find out more about your niece, more about, maybe somebody you can put her in touch with that wants to offer her a job. Okay, and you interview her and say, okay, I don't know. So I don't know what her credentials are. So maybe, it starts with a consultation, but I'm happy to help you. Hold on. 1-800-529-5465. By the way, I'd like everybody right now, this is what I'm doing. I'm taking out my finger, and I'm going to share this myself on this iPad. I'm going to share the page right now. I'm going to share this. And I'm going to share this to, who should I share this to, Jill? I will share this to, Donald Trump. DT. There, just shared it. 1-800-529-5465. I just shared the post myself. I'd like everybody to please share. We're at 133 views. We're going to get up to Kimmy Kim very, very soon. We're hoping maybe DT. I don't know, the orange guy. We stopped calling him the orange guy. Maybe we should start calling him the orange guy again. I don't know. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Lloyd in Brooklyn. Lloyd.
Hello, Brad.
What's up? Lloyd.
Brad. Yes. Hi, Brad.
What's going on?
Yes, I have a friend. He's in Jamaica. He's a green card holder. He has been in Jamaica for the last 8 years. Can he come back up? What issue will he face?
Well, he gave up his green card if he's been there for 8 years. Let's see if he can get it back. Why was he there for 8 years?
He said he just wasn't feeling comfortable in the States.
How did he get his green card originally?
To his mom. He has a son who is a citizen up here also.
How old is the son?
His son is working for the city, so he's past 21.
Okay, so then I think the best thing to do is let the son refile for him. Because if he goes, there's something called an SB1 visa where you can go back and reapply to re-enter the United States as a lawful resident if you can show enough ties here. But after 8 years, he just didn't feel the United States was right for him. Basically, he gave it up. Let his son refile for him. It'll take about a year. He'll get here with his green card.
So basically, his son has to file the I-130 and the I-485.
Correct. Not the I-45, just the I-130, and then he'll get a visa appointment in Jamaica. We can help him. So hold on 1 second, okay? Hold on. All right. 1-800-529-5465. Call now. You can get your immigration questions asked and answered. Let's go to Brittany in Rockville, Maryland. Brittany.
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I have a question.
Yeah.
My daughter is 23 and she's filing for her dad. How long does it take for him to get through?
Where's your dad? Her dad?
He's here.
How did he come to the United States?
I'm not sure how he came.
Well, if he came on a visa, was he inspected at the airport?
To be honest, I don't think he came on a visa.
Okay, if he did not come here on a visa, then he's got a problem. If he came here on a visa, he can adjust his status and he'll get his green card in like 9 months. But if he didn't come here on a visa, he may not be eligible to adjust. Then he has to go home and do a provisional waiver, but you can't get a provisional waiver through your daughter. So a lot depends on how did he enter the United States.
I don't think he came on a visa, so that's why I was asking.
Yeah, so then it's based on the daughter. If he has his daughter and nobody else in the world, he's never getting his green card through his daughter. If he did not come here on a visa, unless the daughter is in the military.
No, she's not.
Or unless he had something filed before April 30th, 2001. Or unless his parents had something filed before April 30th, 2001. But
his parents are not here.
Yeah, no, he's got
children are the only ones here.
Yeah, he's got huge problems then if he didn't come here on a visa. And he should have a consultation with me. It's not going to be that easy or fast. But he can't adjust. And you can't do the provisional waiver through a daughter.
He can't do it to his daughter?
No, not if he didn't come here legally.
So I'll tell her.
Yeah, and tell her to have a consultation. He needs it because we need to know how he came, and we can figure it out from there.
Okay.
All right, hold on.
She won't get in any trouble, though, for filing for him?
No, she's a U.S. citizen. She's following the law.
Yeah, she's a citizen.
Yeah. You can never get in trouble for filing for somebody. You're trying to help somebody. You don't get in trouble for that.
And how long does it take for somebody to get their citizenship?
If they're eligible, about 9 months, assuming they have a clean case.
Okay.
All right.
Because my niece, she did hers in September, and she only got a letter saying that they got it, and she didn't hear anything else.
They did September. Well, it's September, October, November, December, January, February, March. They're only about 6 months into it, another 2 or 3 months.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You like how I count on my fingers? I have to do that. September, October, November, December. 1-800-529-5465. Cynthia in Queens. Cynthia.
Yes, I'm here.
Hey, what's up?
Yes.
What's going on?
Hi, how are you doing?
What's going on?
I want to ask, good evening. I want to ask you a question, right?
Yes.
I'm married. My husband filed for me. I'm in New York. Mm-hmm. And apparently we went on this interview in 2016. The immigration officer did not ask as much question. I think he asked us about 5 questions. We did answer it. I don't know what was the problem, but he said we have a second interview.
Okay.
And I've been waiting now.
The problem is that they didn't believe it was a real marriage. That's the problem. For whatever.
Okay.
You walked in, he got the wrong vibe from you. That was basically it.
Mm-hmm. So they said we will get a second interview. And we are waiting now. It's over a year now. We have not get any interview.
Okay. And this is where? In Federal Plaza or in New York? All right. So then if it's been a year.
In Holtzville.
In Holtzville. If it's been a year and you haven't gotten an interview yet, then I think it's time to come see me. and let's follow up on that for you.
Okay.
All right, because you should have gotten it by now. You and your spouse are together, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
okay.
yes, yes.
All right, hold on one second, all right? Drina,
Hello?
in Walden, New York. Where's Walden, New York?
Upstate.
All right, what's going on?
Yes, I texted you the other day, but I still didn't hear your answer.
Oh, okay. What is the question? Go again.
Yes, from Jamaica,
Mm-hmm.
when I was doing my interview to get a visiting visa for here.
Right.
Yeah, I tell some untruth on the interview.
Right.
Yeah, so I'm married here and have children. And on the interview here,
Wait 1 second. You got a visa. What was the you got a? Are you talking about getting a visitor's visa?
yes,
Okay, so you got a visitor's visa. What was the untruth that you told?
I told them that my father died and I'm coming here for his funeral.
Okay, and your father did
Yeah.
not die.
No,
Okay, where's your father?
he's in New York here.
He's alive and well.
Yes,
Okay, and you got the visitor's visa.
yes,
So you submitted a death certificate of a man that, or that was or was not your father, but certainly your father's not dead. And now you've been here for how long now?
I didn't submit anything.
You
They
just
didn't ask me
you
for
just
a
said
death
you just said
certificate.
my dad died. I need to go.
Yes,
Okay, and when was this?
2013.
2013. And
Yes.
you came here on a visitor's visa. I hear children in the background. Were those children born here or in another country?
Yeah, they were born here.
They were born here. How many children do you have?
2.
Okay. And where's the father of these children?
He's here.
Okay, he's a citizen? He's a citizen?
Yes, he is.
All right. So you filed an adjustment. You're going to need a waiver because you made a misrepresentation.
Yes,
Okay.
I did that, and he dropped it off, and then they said they haven't received it, but they stamped and said they received it. But
Okay, who dropped what off?
my husband dropped off the waiver.
Okay,
The office.
your husband just filled out a form and submitted it?
Yes,
That's getting
without a
denied.
lawyer.
Oh, with a lawyer or without a lawyer?
A lawyer did it.
Okay, and now they claim they don't have it?
Yes,
Okay, how long ago was that?
it was from November.
All right, so you got denied?
No, I haven't received a mail or anything.
So how do you know that? How do you know that they didn't get it?
Because they said to call after 120 days, and I called, and they said they haven't received it.
Yeah, but you're not calling the immigration service. You're calling an outside contractor. They have no idea whether they received it or not. All right, so you can't. When you call, it's like you ever call Citibank and then you hear like somebody in another country. You're not really calling Citibank.
Yes.
You're calling some call center somewhere, and they have very, very small or limited knowledge of what's going on with your case. And then, so I wouldn't get overly concerned about that. It's been 120 days. What I would be concerned about is, did you do a good waiver? You have proof that it was filed, so I'm sure it was. The question is, did you do a good waiver? I always get concerned when I went to a lawyer and the lawyer told me to go hand it off. When lawyers don't take responsibility for the work that they do and give it to you to go file, it gives me a little pause and a concern about, hey, what is it actually that they did? What I would suggest you do at the bare minimum is to hold on, have a consultation with me, and let's see what the lawyer did. And if he did a good job, then we'll follow it up. And if he didn't do such a hot job, maybe we could supplement it before they make a decision. Okay? So hold on 1 second, all right? Hold on. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LAW-LINK, 1-800-529-5465. Brittany in Queens. Brittany.
Hello?
Hey, how are you?
I just called you, but I forgot to ask you a question. Another
What's your question? What was your question before?
I
I
asked
spoke
you
to so many people.
if a daughter can file for her father.
Right. And he overstayed, or we don't know how he came here.
Yeah.
Right.
So I was wondering if you say he can't get a waiver to his daughter.
He cannot get a waiver through his daughter, correct. He can get a waiver through a spouse, but not a daughter or a parent.
That's what I was going to ask. Can he get a waiver to a spouse?
Yes.
So does the spouse have to file another paperwork for him?
No, the daughter can file for him, but the spouse would need to file the waiver for him. And then again, if he didn't enter, he's going to need a provisional waiver and then perhaps need a second waiver for misrepresentation or maybe not, depending on how he came. So this whole thing requires a consultation.
Okay, I'll tell the doctor to call you.
Okay, fantastic.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465.